Welcome to Sobo, not South Bombay, South Borivali.
Why is this building so expensive? How much did you buy it for?
It was roughly around.
Did you take a loan for it?
I'm a developer, Vishal, but my dad is a chartered accountant. What he has suggested me.
Spending so much money in Borivali, just move to Sobo. In today's episode of The Habitat, I'm in Mumbai. In Mumbai, I'm in Borivali, a suburb on the extreme part of North Mumbai. But I'm outside a building that commands property prices on par with South Mumbai. Our guest today is a real estate developer who first stayed on rent but then chose to buy in the same building. Why did he do that? What makes this building in particular so special for residents of Borivali? Hi Chintan.
Welcome to my home in the best part of Mumbai. Welcome to Sobo,
Sobo.
not South Bombay, South Borivali.
Okay, so this is the real Sobo?
This is the better Sobo.
Better Sobo, okay. So tell me, why is this building so special? Why is it so expensive?
So there are a lot of good things about this building, but our house has one a very special highlight, which I want to show you. We have a 180-degree kangaroo view. You know, usually in Mumbai, आपको किसी का building दिखता है, किसी का घर दिखता है. यहाँ से you have this open view. So beautiful part of our home.
Now tell me something. Why is this building so expensive? Building in Borivali going for 15 crores, which most people actually within Mumbai also can't imagine. Somebody in Bandra will ask, why does somebody pay 15 crores in Borivali?
Your 15 crore nahi hai, now it is much more. It has an international architect, James Lowe, who has designed this building. Secondly, there are very less number of units and the units are very big. The best part of the home or the building is you have super heights. Like this is almost 13 feet. There's beautiful decks.
And in this house, how big is it?
It's around 2600 square feet.
Okay. And this room is whose?
This is my dad's room. So when we had taken, it was a shell unit. There was no interiors, nothing. It was a 4 BHK. We got it converted to a 3 BHK. We wanted to do our own thing. This is my bedroom.
Okay.
Vishal, we both love traveling. So this room is inspired by our travels. So we have an app where the entire home is managed. Paris. So you are, there are all indirect yellow lights in the room. This is San Francisco. This is LA when we watch movie. This is New York when, all the lights are there and that's where we went for the honeymoon. But the highlight of this room is यहाँ से आपको सब कुछ दिखता है. You can see the Western Express Highway on this side, Link Road on this side. यहाँ से मेरे सब real estate developer friends आते हैं. हम लोग कभी-कभी buildings को spot करते हैं.
You, Kripali, your wife,
Yeah.
your daughter, and your parents.
So my sister has a room right next to her. मैं अभी आपको वहाँ पे लेके जाऊँ. She just got married.
Okay.
तो अभी वो usually मेरे को जब मेरा और कृपाली का झगड़ा होता है, तो that's where I go and sleep.
Okay.
This is my sister's bedroom.
Okay.
Everything that you see is pink. This is the pink room of our home.
Tell me, this home of yours, how much did you buy it for? What is the process of buying a home like this?
I remember buying this home in 2019. Us time pe it was in under construction. So I was on the 11th floor. The building had OC or possession till the 31st floor. Then the real estate developer got more permissions, more FSI. So usko upar permission mila. So he built 31st to the 36th floor in the next 3 years. I bought GST, so I paid the stamp duty and everything. It was roughly around 8.75.
Okay. Over 8.5 crores for buying the home here.
Yes.
Did you take a loan for it or you did it outright? So developers have lots of money. So
I'm a developer, Vishal, but my dad is a chartered accountant. He's very good with numbers. What he has suggested me, and with my knowledge, what I can share to your viewers is, if you are taking a home, always go for a housing loan.
Why?
The bank does a lot of vetting before giving a loan. So when you're buying an under construction project, आप सबसे पहले तो रेरा देखते हो, उसके साथ APF नंबर भी देखो, अप्रूव्ड प्रोजेक्ट फाइनेंशियल नंबर. Whenever you're buying a home, आप डेवलपर को पूछ सकते हो. What is that is usually a bank before giving a loan, he would sit with the developer, he'll do all the legal checks, उसके पास सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स होगा, तब जाके वो APF नंबर देगा. And every bank has a unique number. अगर वो डेवलपर के पास वो APF नंबर है, तो your life is much easier. And one more thing I want to add, I always every 2-3 years I renegotiate my terms with the banks or I switch my banks.
Okay.
Yeah, so वो करना चाहिए. आपके व्यूवर्स को भी मैं बताऊंगा. जैसे आप निगोशिएट एक रियल एस्टेट डेवलपर्स के साथ करते हो, वैसे आप बैंक्स के साथ भी कर सकते हो। आप आपके लोन का अभी रेपो रेट्स का अपने को रोज न्यूज मिलता है, तो अपने को लगता है रेपो रेट कम हो गया तो ऑलरेडी मेरा अभी सेविंग्स होगा। ऐसा नहीं होता। यू हैव टू कॉल योर बैंक, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड आप कौन से आपका जो लोन का जो सिस्टम है वो किसके अंडर है। आप बैंक को कॉल नहीं करोगे तो वो आपके अकाउंट में बेनिफिट्स कभी पास ऑन करेंगे ही नहीं। लेट मी टेक यू टू द डाइनिंग एरिया। शी इज माई ब्यूटिफुल वाइफ Kripali, Dr. Kripali.
We keep seeing Risha's posts every now and then. Like he's
Yep.
always.
He forces you. He forces you to see it.
No, I
See
love
it.
to see it.
Sure, thank you.
और ये हम लोग सब लोग की बॉस। हाय क्यों जियाना?
Hello.
हेलो हेलो।
Very nice. Okay.
So this is the dining area. We have a puja room right there,
Okay.
and this is where we spend most of our time in the evenings. This is our kitchen. Me and Kripali were in Los Angeles for a very long time. हम लोग ने Airbnb पे होम लिया, एक घर लिया था, and we had an open kitchen. तो वो हम लोग को तभी बहुत amazing लगा था. But then in Indian cooking, open kitchen does not make a lot of sense. So what we have done is you can actually close it. This is a 28-year-old painting. हम लोग ने 3-4 बार खाली इसका ये फ्रेम चेंज किया। अभी हम लोग ने श्रीनाथ जी से जाकर लिया था। And every Vaishnav home you go, you will see a Srinath ji painting.
You are a strong believer.
I think the most beautiful thing, if you ask, हम लोग का पूरा family आपको यही बोलेगा, ये painting gives a lot of happiness to us. And I have an app which is running the entire house. It's called Vasani Sky Villa. So what it is like, you can on your lights,
Okay.
AC, पंखा सब आप यहाँ से आप मैनेज कर सकते हो। We have a श्रीनाथ जी theme in this. So श्रीनाथ जी के बहुत सारे रूप होते हैं, जैसे मंगला, ग्वाल, उत्थापन, राजभोग, आरती, और जब आप जैसे स्पेशल दोस्त घर आते हैं, श्रृंगार, उसके हिसाब से होम ऑटोमेशन ऑपरेट करता है।
How much money have you spent on interiors to do this?
अराउंड 2.5 के आसपास वुड बी आवर इंटीरियर कॉस्ट।
2.5 crore.
Yeah.
Is the cost of just the interiors, in the house.
I think अभी वो बेसिक हो गया है, because what I'm talking is like a few years back. In last 2 years, I know a lot of MRPs going up of the lights, all the fixtures. Anyone who's watching this, they want to plan a good home. 7 से 8 हज़ार रुपए का इंटीरियर का कॉस्ट मिनिमम आजकल आता है।
Spending so much money in Borivali, just move to Sobo, the original Sobo, South Bombay.
बट मैं क्यों जाऊँ वहाँ पे? मतलब what would I get? My office is here, all my action happens here, my projects are in this area. आज मुझे याद है 15 साल पहले जब मैं कॉलेज में या स्कूल में था, तब मेरे को मैकडॉनल्ड्स खाना होता था, तब मैं बैंड्रा जाता था। आज मैकडॉनल्ड्स हर जगह पे, स्टारबक्स हर एक कॉर्नर पे। वी हैव एवरीथिंग हियर ब्रो। लाइक सी टुडे योर ऑफिस एंड योर होम हैज टू बी नियर। आप जितना कम टाइम ट्रैफिक में स्पेंड करोगे, उतना टाइम आप फैमिली को दे पाओगे, आपके वेलबींग को दे पाओगे।
All luxury properties today have amenities. Does this have amenities?
This has a lot of amenities, but the one which I love is the podium, where all the action happens in the evening. There is a proper park where you can go around with your family. यहाँ पे एक बहुत अच्छा फाउंटेन होता है every day for 1 or 2 hours in the evening. My daughter, she wants to step out. She wants to use all the kids play area. There's a swimming pool, there's a clubhouse, there's a gym right there.
Tell me over here, how much maintenance are you paying for these sort of amenities that are there?
So for our 4 BHK, we also have festival expense करके हम लोग का कुछ होता है. We are paying something around 50,000 rupees per month.
50,000 rupees per month maintenance.
Yeah, that is I think the rent for a lot of flats in the vicinity.
What sort of a person should stay in Borivali as a location, not this building in particular?
If you have your office in less than 30 minutes from Borivali, either by car or either by metro or any other connectivity, you should opt for an address like Borivali.
On that note, Chintan Vasani, thank you for coming on The Habitat and showing what people say is the best of Borivali. All the best going forward.
Sobo कैसा लगा?
Very good. Time for the report card. Borivali is a suburb on the northern end of Mumbai. It's a neighborhood for the middle class with average home prices between 25 to 30,000 rupees per square feet. It doesn't have the glamour of Bandra, but it's self-sufficient with regards to homes, schools, offices, hospitals. The one limiting factor was the absence of a big mall, which has got fulfilled in recent times with the opening of Oberoi's Mall. In terms of connectivity, the Western Express Highway provided you strong connectivity to BKC. Railway connectivity from Borivali station gave you access all the way to Churchgate. Recently, the metro has opened that gives smooth and convenient access from Borivali all the way to Andheri. Borivali works for someone who's on a middle class budget, needs access to all sorts of transportation. That's all we have for this episode. Subscribe to NDTV Profit Originals for more such insightful content.